the cell cycle. There are two parts to the cell cycle. The first part is interphase. In interphase, there is 3 stages. The first one is called G1 stage. That stage is where everything normal happens. After G1, there's a checkpoint for G1, which is called G1 and S phase checkpoint. In that checkpoint, they check to see if the cell is abnormal or not. If it's not, it can pass. If the cell is abnormal, then it has to go through either a cell program death, which is called apoptosis, or is trying to be fixed. After that checkpoint, it moves on to S phase. In S phase, that's where the DNA replicates. After the DNA is replicated, there's another checkpoint, the G2 and S phase checkpoint. That checkpoint is to see if the DNA is replicated and the cells are right. If it is, it goes on to G2 phase. If it isn't, it goes through the cell program death, which is called apoptosis, or it stays there to be fixed. When it's on G2 phase, G2 replicates the rest of the things it needs to have. After that, you move on to M phase, which is that part. That part is the condensing part of M phase. The chromatin from interphase starts to condense, so it makes chromosomes. After that, centrioles and spindle fibers start to come into place.
There you go.
Alright, so this is M2 phase. This is where the centrioles and spindle fibers start to form to create chromosomes, and that's aligning. And then this is M3 phase. This is where Alright, so this is M3 phase, or M4 phase, my bad. And this is where the chromatids start to divide into 2 different cells. And this is the final product, which is 2 identical twin daughter cells.